A vicious dog attack caught on camera in Wilton Manors.
The woman who was mauled while walking her dog is now sharing exactly what happened. Local 10's Terrell Fournay joins us live from that scene with the story you saw first on 10. Terrell?
And that woman has returned to the hospital this afternoon after having some problems with her injuries. But there has been a very big development since our last report. In fact, that dog has been pulled out of the home behind me and is now in quarantine, placed there by animal control officers after this very dangerous and bloody attack that was caught on camera. Just as Wilton Manors officers return to the scene this afternoon, Broward County Animal Control moves in to confiscate a nuisance dog which had been terrorizing pet owners in this neighborhood.
He attacked both me and the dog.
Maria Zapata was walking her small dog Sunday morning on Northwest 30th Court near 9th Avenue when the bigger dog in question came charging out from a backyard. You see the aggressive dog jumping and mauling at the two repeatedly. The aggressive dog's owner, wearing black, is then seen trying and failing to secure the animal that just wouldn't let up.
I was very scared. I think you don't want to go to pass what I passed this morning because very, very scary.
Midway through the attack, a Good Samaritan rolls up in her car and invites Maria and her injured dog inside. But the aggressive dog manages to jump in too.
It escalated where I was out of my car and I just held it really tightly so it can kind of get off the other little dog.
Thank God a couple neighbors, they come in and help me.
Maria's injuries were so bad on her hand, she needed stitches while in the hospital. She still had blood on her shirt and ripped pants from the dangerous encounter when we spoke with her. Maria is thankful her 5-year-old Australian silky terrier named Wufus survived with gashes on his neck and wounds on his leg. Still, no ill will towards that aggressive animal.
You know, and the problem is the humans. We the problem, not the dogs.
We stopped by the home of the aggressive dog, where the owner appeared to be anything but remorseful.
Time somebody have a problem with dogs like this?
I get what you're saying, but it doesn't make it okay. What did she say?
So that was the response we got, but we have also reached out to Broward County Animal Control to figure out the fate of this now confiscated bully breed type of dog. Is this a temporary or permanent removal? What will happen next? We still don't know. We're still waiting to hear back, but we have heard from multiple people who live in this neighborhood, and they tell us that there have been at least 7 or 8 different attacks over the past 7 months involving this same dog that was removed from this home. They are certainly relieved.
Good, Joe. What are you growling at?
I don't give a shit! Hear me? I don't give a shit! You are dead, you stupid son of a bitch!